In this week's episode, I get some lessons on beach driving, and Stef and Alistair get up to some mischief on their way to 9 Mile Beach.
That turns out super easy.
She knocks herself out.
Yeah, I know, it's a thing. The actual poo does this a little bit.
And this beach has got a lot of people on today, so now there's like more pressure not to You need to get stuck there, babe.
Ooh, our Landy's on the beach. If we drive north in this direction, we head towards Cozy Bay and the border to Mozambique.
Super amazing. It's probably the coolest thing I've ever done. Nothing better than having your car with you when you're on the beach all day. And the water was amazing.
Hey, the guy says radioed and says no one's coming, so here we go. Stick at third gear, no range. Might change up here. That turns out super easy.
She knocks herself out.
Gave it some mambo, third gear. Didn't even have to change.
Good job, bud.
Okay, cool. We've got a bit of a iffy day out there, so we're gonna go find a little spot. Where we're going, bro?
Yeah, so we're going to head up north. We're going to make our way towards 9 Mile Beach. We're going to take the eastern road along the Lake Sabaya. And yeah, I haven't been there for a while, and it can get quite tricky, but we've got a machine driver here, so yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, happy days. We did bring a chainsaw and a little machete, just in case it's a little bit overgrown. So we'll check it out.
Yeah, see you later.
We're on our way down the road to Mabibi Beach. It's the D1848. We popped out through the back route again. And now we're pretty much driving down here for a couple of Ks. We'll go past some abandoned gates. Look for some road. A couple hundred meters past that on the right. And that's about it.
Yeah. Due east, straight down to the primary dune, and we'll make our way through the primary dune over to the secondary dune, and yeah, hopefully get to 9 Mile Beach. Haven't been there for a while. It'd be nice to get back there and have a look-see.
Right, so that's the little sign we kind of indicates you on the right spot. 9 Mile.
9 Mile. Yep.
It's definitely really low in the trees. Bushes. Yeah, I think it's actually easier. So this is pretty cool, little coastal forest. I think we do have fresh tracks in front of us, but the 4x4s that did come through here, they're actually quite low. There's just like a bucky or a cab. So we're just going to clean up here a little bit. And then yeah, we're going to make on.
Yep, we're just making room to get through, just so that we don't damage too much bush or vehicle.
At this stage, Alistair and myself realize there's no turning around. So all we have to do is keep on chopping. Cool. Yeah, I know, it's a thing. The actual poo does this a little bit. You know, until you get used to it and you actually know your limitations of.
There we go.
With the camera angles not doing justice, here we are slogging it over one of the dunes.
Hey, what do you say? Slow as pro.
Slow as pro, bro.
Hey, you made it look easy. Well done.
Sweet, happy days. Alistair, get to work. Hey!
Bushwhackers. Yeah. There's been a lot of rain over the last couple of months, so I guess, and also with no holidays, no one's really been down these tracks. So yeah, we're doing the good deed, opening up the track, and yeah, all part of the adventure. You can hear the sea. As Stef said, you can smell it as well. We're almost there.
And the good thing is, if we turn the camera 180, we've got about 7-8 meters to go, and we got to chop this out the way because we're a bit too tall, and that's what lies ahead of us. Little did we know, around the corner was not just around the corner. On our way out, he reminded me what lives in the bushes.
Dendroaspis augusticeps, which is your green mambo.
Yeesh.
Yeah.
Lovely feeling, eh? And we're chopping around with like no shoes, hacking, chopping. But yeah, I think we're good now, eh?
I think so. I'm gonna walk.
Okay, shoot. Yeah, we're still quite tight, but we're gonna squeeze in. Whoa, what is this, bro?
It's a kite spider. Yeah. Full up in the coastal forest.
Here I am chopping for about 10 minutes in the bush, not ideal, no shoes, looking out for the green mamba and getting nailed by thorns.
The home stretch, as they say. We thought we were on the home stretch about an hour ago. Can it be? I think it is. I think we have made it through the gauntlet of acacias.
Oh yeah. like little old school bras and stuff.
That's it, yeah. Hey.
No, that was quite a slog. We got 4:30 now. I think we left the home at like 1:30ish.
Yeah.
It didn't take us long, maybe 15-20 minutes to actually get into the. So maybe we hit there at 2 o'clock. So it's like 2.5 hours, 2 hours. And I think half the time we were out the car.
Yeah, no, sure, we definitely were. And yeah, this is the 9 Mile Beach.
Yes, it's bro. I'm gonna take a goof here. F***ing art. Shouldn't be swearing on YouTube. Sorry, f***ing art. And let's take a quick run down. Yee, the good wind pumping. And happy days. Woo-hoo. Alright, this is another day on the beach. Jenna's second day of driving on the beach. Nice and easy does it. Happy days. Going past everyone here. Oh, good. She was obviously thinking that this is where I don't want to get stuck.
Not next to all these people.
But we're totally cool. Second day of driving and it's pretty cool. Beach driving tip number 1. Deflate your tires to a minimum of 0.6 to 0.8 bar.
Stay in this like revving thing.
Yeah, this is good.
Sounds terrible.
Hey, how's a gear change, eh? Beautiful gear change on the beach. A little bit of momentum up now, pushing into third. There we go. Good job, babes.
Thanks.
Happy days.
It's very scary in the corners. And this beach has got a lot of people on today, so now there's like more pressure not to.
Give it Mamba, just go down. Rather get down onto the harder stuff and then we'll come back down.
No?
There we go, go a bit further. Now you can gently turn out. Not too hard, look at these tracks. There we go, great job.
Where must I park?
Yeah. And a little bit past this wet line. Beach driving tip number 2. Don't use your brakes. And if you do need to use them gently.
I didn't do brakes.
Yeah, that's cool. Good job, babes.
Thanks.
Excellent.
It's very scary. Oh my god, you realize? You see this moment right here? This is the moment I realized I never released the handbrake.
So this is our posy where we're staying. Inside there's a kitchen area we've been using. Chook, 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 chook. Chook, 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 chook. These are the cool chickens. Chook, 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 chook. This is where we've been sleeping. It's a cute little spacious tent. Our shower, bathroom area is over there. It's actually pretty cool. That's Ella's house. Outside shower. Hello, Bri. And this is where we've been dumping all our stuff. So there we go. We found a big-tailed bushtail. Cool. That's pretty cool.
Stay tuned for next week's episode as we share some very exciting and very surprising news with you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.